Good morning, students. Let us start our class with the poem The Captain's Daughter from the literature book. Before going to the poem, let us know about the poet. James T. Fields is the poet of this poem, The Captain's Daughter. This poem is about a violent storm at the sea which tried to grab the lives of the people were on the ship and about a little girl who saved them through her eternal belief on the God. Let us go through the poem. We were crowded in the cabin, not a soul would dare to sleep. It was midnight on the waters, and a storm was on the deep. We were means all the sailors in the ship. All people were crowded. Crowded means gathered or collected in the cabin. Cabin means a room on the ship. All people were crowded, gathered in the cabin, and not a soul would dare to sleep. No one was able to sleep. Why? Because of the horrible situation. No one couldn't sleep because of the horrible situation. And it was midnight on the waters. At that time, what was the timing? It was midnight. Okay. Then also a storm was on the deep. The storm was, violent storm was blowing on the deep. On the deep means here on the ocean. In brief, it was midnight and the violent storm was blowing on the ocean and no one couldn't sleep because of the horrible situation, and all people were gathered in the cabin. Cabin means room on the ship. It is a fearful thing in winter to be shattered by the blast and to hear the rattling trumpet thunder cut away the mast. It is a fearful thing in winter. Fearful means terrible, dreadful, frightened. Thing in winter. What is the fearful thing in winter? The blast. Here the blast. Blast means a violent gust of wind. If we can also say tempest. Okay. If any tempest or any violent gust of wind comes, it would be very difficult for the sailors to control the ship. So all the people on the ship were frightened because if the wind comes or the storm comes, storm can destroy the ship. And to hear the rattling trumpet, thunder cut away the mast. And they were listening or hearing the rattling trumpet. Rattling means making a series of short, sharp knocking sound. They heard the rapid sound of the trumpet. It says that cut away the mast. Mast means you all know. Mast means a tall, upright post on a ship. In short, they all heard the rapid sound of the trumpet. It tells that to cut the mast, the upright post on the ship. Means all were thinking about their death on the sea. So we shuddered there in silence, for the stoutest held his breath, while the hungry sea was roaring and the breakers talked with death. So we shuddered there in silence. That means so we all shook, all shivered with the fear of the death. And for the stoutest held his breath. We all were expecting that the stoutest means here the bravest sailor, would do something for us. But he was also in fear, so much fear because of the thinking of death. while the hungry sea was roaring and the breakers talked with death. This was another reason for his fear, that the hungry sea was roaring like a lion. And the breakers, here breakers means large waves. The large waves of the sea were also talking about the death. So by hearing the roaring of the sea and the breakers talking about the death, he was in so much fear, and he also held his breath. As thus we sat in darkness, each one busy with his prayers, "We are lost," the captain shouted as he staggered down the stairs. And after that they all sat in the darkness and started to pray. All were busy with their prayers. Then what happened? They heard the sound of the captain. He was shouting that we are lost. Why? Because he lost his control over the ship and he staggered down the stairs. Staggered means moved or walked unsteadily, as if about to fall. And he moved down the stairs. He told that he lost his control over the ship. But his little daughter whispered as she took his icy hand, "Isn't God upon the ocean just the same as on the land?" But what happened then? His little daughter came and she whispered. Whispered means in a low voice something she said. She said in a low voice. By taking his icy hand, what did she say? "Isn't God upon the ocean just the same as on the land?" On the land there is God, like that on the ocean also there is God. If we pray to the God will help us. Who told? The little daughter of the captain. What did she tell? She told that on the land there is God, and on the ocean also there is God. If we pray to the God will help us. Then we kissed the little maiden, and we spoke in better cheer, and we anchored safe in harbor when the moon was shining clear. Then we kissed the little maiden. We all kissed the little girl by hearing her words. And we spoke in better cheer. We all were speaking in a happy mood because we got the hope of life back. And we anchored safe in harbor when the moon was shining clear. And in the next morning, they all were reached in harbor safely. Students, from this poem, we have learned that never give up hope. Sometimes hope is a harder thing to lose, but never give up hope because the future could hold something better than the present. Hope you all have understood the poem. Let us end today's class here. Thank you.